She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, do your dance, girl. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl? Is it you and them, or is we making plans, girl? Double up the coupe size and hers the bands, girl. She a 10, better tell her strike a pose.
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again guys for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. So for today's recipe, it's going to be just in time for the NFL playoffs that's about to start, or for the upcoming Super Bowl. We're going to go ahead and make a treat that you definitely can bring along and everyone will enjoy. I'm going to go ahead and make a variation of a delicious cheese boat. So of course with the cheese boat or the boat, you go ahead and make a boat-like structure out of a long piece of bread, such as a French loaf or an Italian loaf perhaps. You hollow it out and you fill it with wonderful goodies. So for today's recipe, I'm going to go ahead and take that and just add some items that I had on hand and make a delicious cheese boat. So if you guys are ready for this recipe, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed for this new year, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you're notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started.
Perfect. Perfect.
Tell you my problems, meditating my silence. But I keep pushing my pen, rotating my stylus. Brokenness feeling like sin, now no Creflo dollar. Used to be left on red, now all the girls go holler. Now all the girls go follow, all the fake fans gon' pile up. I need peace to borrow, get that shit right back tomorrow. Somehow all the fans go bravo, smile so much to hide my sorrows. Faith is shaky in vibrato.
Alright you guys, so here is the finished cheese boat. I think it turned out just lovely. We have all those fresh vegetables inside of there, as well as the protein with the corned beef and lots of cheese. Definitely should give this recipe a try for your next party, maybe even your next football get together. Go ahead and give it a try. In my case, I just went ahead and served it with some Frito chips for scooping and dipping so that you can get the maximum or minimum amount that you might want out the boat. So hopefully you guys did enjoy the recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. I definitely appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.
We're healing. I can't hold a frown too long. I can't stay down too long. Look, running from pain, running from strain, running from things, running from schemes. I can't hold a frown too long. Look, running from pain, running from strain, running from things, running from schemes.